In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import variable products into WooCommerce by bulk uploading products with variations. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently upload your products, saving you time and effort in managing your online store. The first step in this process is preparing your CSV file. This CSV file is where you'll list all the product details you want to import. It's crucial to ensure that this file has the correct columns, with clear headers that correspond to the information WooCommerce requires. This typically includes fields like product name, SKU, price, and attributes like color or size if your products have variations. It's a good idea to check WooCommerce's guidance on default column names to ensure smooth importing. Once your CSV is ready and you're satisfied with the data, head over to your WordPress admin panel. From there, navigate to WooCommerce, then move on to Products and click on Import. You'll find this option usually right at the top. Select it, and this will bring you to the import screen. Now, it's time to upload your CSV file. Click on Choose File to locate and select your prepared CSV from your computer. This step is straightforward, but always double-check to make sure you've selected the right file, just to avoid any unwelcome surprises down the line. After you've uploaded your file, you'll be directed to the column mapping screen. This is where things start to get interesting. WooCommerce automatically attempts to map the columns from your CSV to the relevant product fields it uses in the system. If you've precisely followed the suggested column headers, most of this will be done for you without much intervention. However, it's always wise to take a moment to review these mappings. Look out for fields that might not have been auto-mapped successfully or any that are incorrect. With the mappings confirmed, it's time to run the import. This is where WooCommerce really does the heavy lifting. When you click Import, WooCommerce gets to work on creating both the parent variable product entries and their corresponding variations, all from the information in your CSV. This process may take a few moments, depending on the number of products and variations you're importing. Once the import is complete, it's a good idea to check your products in the WooCommerce Product Manager. Make sure everything looks the way you intended, with all product variations properly listed and ready for your customers to explore. And that's it. You've successfully imported your variable products into WooCommerce in bulk. Always remember, taking a little extra time to ensure your CSV file is accurate and properly formatted can save you loads of time and prevent issues later. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling.